Hello guys, this is Ethan from Jingle Mining, and today I'll teach you how to configure your mining machine's backend. I mean, after all, without proper configuration, it's just a piece of useless metal, right? But once configured correctly, it becomes valuable money-making machine. The configuration process is actually quite simple. After you finding your IP address and copying it into your browser, you can access the machine's backend. And if you don't know how to find your machine's IP address, please watch our video released on December 18th first. And also, this video will not only teach you how to configure your mining machine, but also explain in detail about mining pool functions and how to withdraw your earnings. So please like the video before you guys watching. And if you're a complete beginner, actually you don't really have to understand anything though. You just follow my steps, step by step. Okay, so let's get started. So after accessing the backend, the first thing you should do is to change your default password. So if you don't, your neighbors could just directly log in and change your wallet address to his, So I'll use my alpha packs as an example. Find the system or similar option in the backend and locate the password change section. And next comes the most crucial step, is setting up your mining pool and wallet address, and look for pool settings or configuration. The exact name depends on your miner's brand. Anyway, you will typically see three sections for pool addresses: pool 1, pool 2, pool 3, and the miner automatically starts with pool 1 and switching to pool 2 if there are issues of the pool 1, right? And then is pool 3. But while some people use different pools for safety, actually using one stable pool in pool 1 is already enough. Anyway, for those people that are unfamiliar with mining pools, the major stable one includes F2 pool, via BTC, or DX pool. And for the beginners, any of this will work just fine. And now let's use F2 pool as an example. First, visit f2pool.com and register. But note your username during registration. Anyway, let's go on F2 pool's homepage. Find your cryptocurrency's mining pool address. And for Dogecoin mining, select LTC as they use the same algorithm. If you can't find the corresponding cryptocurrency, right, just try other pools like via BTC or DX pool. But though F2 pool is one of the world's largest and most oldest pools. Anyway, after selecting your cryptocurrency, scroll down to find the stratum address and choose a general address for one based on your location, and copy this address and paste it into your miner's pool configuration page. And for the wallet address, beginners can simply use their F2 pool username. All mined cryptocurrency will just go to your F2 pool account for later withdrawal, right? And you can also use your software wallet, hardware wallet, or even your exchange wallet address, but ensuring it's the correct cryptocurrency address, all right? Okay, so to set up automatic withdrawals on F2 pool is like this. First, click your account name, and step 2, select account settings, and step 3, choose your username, and step 4, click the payout settings, and step 5, select your cryptocurrency. And step 6, the very crucial one, is to add your wallet or exchange address. And then you've done, right? You just have done the automatic withdrawal on F2 pool. And once everything is configured, Submit your settings and wait about 1 to 5 minutes until you see real-time hash rate on the dashboard. And some miners like Alpha Packs may take the full 5 minutes to start, so you need to be patient. Alright, and that's it. And as you can see, it's not that complicated, right? And let me know if this video will help you. And also, if you're looking for purchase crypto mining machines, visit our official website, jinglemining.com. We are a leading global supplier of crypto mining hardware and related services. And we are also official partners with major brands like Jazz Miner or Vogue Miner. And it's worth noting that we recently introduced our Jingle Mining hosting service. So if you don't want to deal with your noisy and high power consumption machines at home, or if your electricity bills are too high, you can consider our Jingle Mining hosting service. We have professional mining farms with staff available 24/7 to take care of your precious machines. And our electricity cost is only 8 cents per kilowatt hour. And plus, if there are any issues, we cover the earnings lost during the downtime. And also, the important part, all the earnings goes directly to your personal private wallet address and is completely transparent and safe. And currently, the models we support are Flueminer L1 Pro, Flueminer T3, and Iron9 Box, right? And of course, later on, we're gonna have more and more models offering competitive prices and top-tier after-sales services. So if you're interested, feel free to visit our official website, jinglemining.com. You can trust us with confidence. And that's it for the video today. And I'm Ethan. I will see you next time.